Hey, it's Soar from Fantastic Falcons, and we're going to be throwing airplanes off our balcony. Oh.
Okay, wait. Okay, just basic airplane.
Yep. Woo! Oh!
Ugh.
That's gonna hurt
Nice.
later.
Number 3.
Pretty cool.
Pretty sus.
Ooh. Oh, whoa!
Cool.
And this one looks very weird.
Yeah, I kind of messed that one up.
Oh! Okay, so
This
this
guy
one
got
came
last.
last.
The one I messed up makes sense.
Yeah.
I think
Oh,
this
yeah.
guy is 3rd. The basic one. This guy won.
So let's throw them again.
I'll link the channels that I watched this. I'll link the channels that I watched this on in the